Here at Fuji, we are ready to transform your business today. I'm going to keep coming back to that again and again as our main theme. What we know is that the market has been changing so much. Your business is changing. Well, here at Fujifilm, we're leading the way with new innovations that are built for today's challenges, but also for tomorrow's demands. So my advice to you, don't wait. The answers you're looking for, they're right here, right now. Now, you've personally been experiencing a lot of those challenges in your own shops. We've really gone from a volume-driven market to a market that is now value-driven. So, commodity print values continue to decline. We have been seeing drastic volume reductions in longer-run jobs. Medium-run jobs have been feeling that squeeze. So today, pressures on your supply chain are making higher value, shorter run applications the target, the real key to success. So the right equipment and the best partnership, that's what can set you apart and build customer loyalty for you. And that's exactly why we are all here together at Fujifilm this afternoon. So we are standing in front of the Jet Press 720S. This is fantastic proof of the power of inkjet. This is real, this is now. So what we're going to do is show you how to solve a lot of those changing market challenges and come out on top using this fantastic press. It's based on the industry's most powerful inkjet technologies. Fujifilm is delivering advanced capabilities for better production and for better business. All right, so what we're going to show you here are 5 key benefits that you will enjoy as a Jet Press 720S owner. Number 1, it is a proven leader. It produces incredible quality. This press is very productive. It's extremely versatile. And most important, it's highly profitable. We'll go through all 5 of these. So the Jet Press 720S is ready to transform your business today. All right, let's dive in and let's get things going. All right, first of all, we all know that single pass inkjet technology for high quality commercial printing is a real challenge. To date, this is the only B2 inkjet press that's seen any real degree of success in the market, which means you're in very safe hands with the Jet Press 720S. So that's our first key benefit. It's proven. The Jet Press is an ultra reliable platform. It's built by an experienced partner who's got specialty in inkjet. So Fujifilm is leading the way today in B2 sheeted inkjet printing. And the reason is we deliver 3 fundamental in-house technologies built by Fuji. Print heads, ink, image optimization, all built by us. So for over 10 years now, Fujifilm Samba inkjet heads, Vividia inks, and our first-class image optimization expertise have been working together to give our customers unrivaled levels of performance in high-quality, single-pass inkjet systems. Because of our inkjet technology, and because it's the industry's leading portfolio, we're now endorsed and approved by major print partners. Heidelberg, one great example. And I'm going to introduce you today to some real users who have got years of experience running the Jet Press, so you can hear directly from them about the difference that Fujifilm makes for them in their businesses. The first person I want to introduce you to is Stéphane Mariot. He's from Calendrier Alexandre, and he has been running a Jet Press since 2013. Listen to what Stéphane had to say about his Jet Press.
La première Jet Press a été installée en 2013 et nous avons eu une installation de la Jet Press 720S au début de l'année dernière. L'installation de la Jet Press a eu un fort impact sur notre organisation et nos performances, en particulier en termes de fluidité de production, d'organisation de nos plannings, et forcément il y a eu un impact sur notre rentabilité qui s'en est trouvé sensiblement améliorée.
All right. The second key benefit you're going to enjoy with the Jet Press 720S is an ultra high level of quality in your print. Now for a lot of people we think, okay, do we really need ultra high quality these days? This is all about differentiation. This is about creating an edge over your competition. So the Jet Press 720S is going to help you produce higher quality in shorter runs that set you apart from your competitors with digital presses who only print fit-for-purpose color. Fujifilm's screening, ink, and head technologies combine for higher and for more consistent levels of quality, all at the touch of a button. Now, I should say, this is not just about dots per inch. What we're talking about here is better and more consistent quality than offset. And we're proving it with the samples that we're producing this week. If you pick up one of the samples here, you will see the enhanced color gamut on the JetPress 720S. That gamut is huge. So you're going to be able to reproduce more spot colors. You're going to create more vibrancy in your prints using only 4 inks. It's a stronger and more consistent level of superior quality, and that's going to also lower your costs and decrease your downtime, because there's no need to add or to swap special inks or toners in order to boost color. Now, by the way, if you'd like to see the color gamut, we are running full test sheets that we have available for you in a viewing station right by the Superior sign. So if you head that way when we're done, you can see that side by side and judge that color gamut for yourselves. It's very impressive. When your customers begin to experience the color you produce for them with this press, you might be surprised. They'll probably start to say, I want you to use the JetPress for my future work as well. Owners have been telling us this has become their new standard for very high quality, because again, it gives them that unique advantage in the marketplace. The JetPress 720S is even beating the quality of their litho presses. It helps them create and maintain that core value. I want you to hear now from Henning Rose. He is from Wegner. Wegner is just outside Bremen, right here in Germany. Henning is talking about the level of quality that he gets out of his JetPress. Listen.
With the wide color gamut, we have the opportunity to simulate most of the spot colors. This is the first point. The other point is fine art printing photographs because of the wide color gamut on the machine. The feedback of our customers was great. So one point is the quality, the other point is the variety of papers, which they're very surprised that you can print it on a digital printing machine in such a good quality.
We'll keep coming back to quality again and again. Okay, third key benefit, productivity. JetPress customers can take on more work. They get more sheets on the floor than with multiple digital presses. And because Fujifilm presses don't require press plates, chemistry, or make ready, all you do is you send the file and you print. That's it. The volume of work we are printing each day here on our stand is going to speak for itself. If an offset litho press could produce jobs at the same rate as our jet press, it would spend most of the day delivering wasteful make-ready sheets. Or it would sit idle, waiting for another set of the 540 required plates to be loaded onto the system. All right, so we're also printing high-quality, perfect-bound books here on the stand. This is a great real-world example of JetPress productivity. Sections are printed in collated order. That's going to remove a step right at the beginning of the process. Then B2 collated output makes cut and stack work very simple. If you combine the output with the horizon binder that we're demonstrating here on the stand today, you'll see that the steps required to produce this kind of quality book, they're vastly reduced. Just a few simple cuts. Once those sheets are off the press, that's it. You're done, and the book blocks are ready for the binder. By the way, it's the same for variable data, but you don't get variable quality. You have never seen variable digital jobs running at this level of quality before. Fujifilm is helping you solve your supply chain issues by breaking those long-run jobs down into short jobs that you can then supply on demand. Now, I also need to mention, as we know, productivity is not just about speed, it's also about uptime. We're always hearing quotes of top-line running speed. To be honest with you, those quotes do not mean a whole lot if your press is down half the time, right? Also, we get a lot of hype surrounding spec wars. We don't have the time or the money to get caught up in all that. Let me ask a question of my group. How many of you today have got a digital press? How many digital presses? 1, 2, 3, sort of. All right, so I see about 8 hands. Here's the question. Are you completely happy with your press uptime? My guess is you wouldn't mind if it was just a little bit better. Uptime on the JetPress 720S is far higher than on any comparable digital press available on the market today. And just one of the reasons, there are many, but one reason, this press doesn't pause between jobs. Instead, your printing and processing of your next job happen in parallel with one another. Fujifilm has also announced new enhancements here at drupa that are increasing productivity up to 30%. So if you combine that with shorter press startup time, now you can print 4 jobs in the time it used to take to print 3 jobs. And it all happens on the fly, even if your job queue gets rearranged or gets extended. And then of course, the JetPress 720S is fully connected. I've got my iPad over here. This connects to all of my systems hosted locally or in the cloud. Fujifilm is developing more and more links for automation and for resource savings. The JetPress doesn't need physical prepress. As I said, no plates, no chemistry. Your customer service team can use XMF controller to send approved jobs directly into the press production schedule. And then if you add XMF color path, you can also monitor quality, add MIS systems, Thurstern, for example. We're running live data from Thurstern on the monitor right back over here in the corner, but now you can analyze all aspects of your production in real time. Okay, once again, our customers tell the story far better than we do. Francisco Martinez is actually with us today. He's from Stradruck and Medien. They just purchased their second press, which we are very, very excited about. We just had a nice photo session with Francisco, and he really does love the jet press and the way it improves his productivity. Have a listen.
We have to think about cost per product. That's why it's not more interesting to say what is cheaper or why is cheaper, because there are many products where we were printing in offset druck, offset print, which we can print in the digital printing, making the collating at the same time. That's why it's more effective to pay the price at the Fuji machine as to say I have a lot of post press at the end.
Francisco is actually here with us. I don't see him right now, but if he is, he'll hopefully come up and give us a wave. All right, 4th key benefit of a great press, it has to be versatile. The JetPress 720S covers a wide range of print applications, and those are constantly expanding. New demands come on the market all the time. Our customers today, they are printing on packaging board and photo canvas, plastics, standard litho stocks that haven't been pre-treated. The list just goes on. Thanks to continued development from paper and from substrate manufacturers, we are going to see so many new, unique, profitable applications coming online in the near future. The JetPress 720S will handle them all. Uses reliable variable data tools, barcode verification, on-the-fly correction. It's all built right into the press to handle whatever you want to print. All right, I've got a good example here. This is from the booming photo gifting market. We're producing canvases like this throughout the day, throughout the week here at drupa. But jobs like this used to be very slow, very labor intensive. With the JetPress, one-off prints like this can be produced in high volume, high quality, with enhanced color gamut that replaces banks of slower multi-pass printers. The JetPress also is letting you finish printed sheets just like offset. We've got several finishing solutions in this section over here on your left. But again, there are so many ways Fujifilm is leading the industry. We have got a Horizon Perfect binder over here. We've got the Harris and Bruno coder. We've got an IS mini frame automator. We've got a Bagel Systems laminator. We have got a Bush pile turner. We're showing the trusty Schneider guillotine. Again, it's all right over here to your left. We've also got customers using their JetPress to produce folding cartons. Now, a lot of people think a 4-color press without spot colors, you don't do packaging with that. Fujifilm combines that wider color gamut of the JetPress with the ability to print on carton board up to 600 microns. And once again, we're printing great examples throughout the week, and you can take a look at those while you're here with us. Okay, I want you now to hear from Mohammed Toual. Mohammed is the CEO of Packaging for Professionals. Our JetPress versatility, it's really perfect for his packaging applications, as he tells us.
We already produced in the JetPress some product from cosmetic, pharmaceutical, chocolate, food, pose, and we have many possibilities with the equipment to match our quality requirements. In our business, there is some requirement by marketing, for example, you need some mock-up. need some meeting where we need 50 quantity of some packaging. Adding that, there is some market need million. It's possible also with the jet press because we have a big quantity. What's happened with the big quantity is that you can split it. You can split quantity per month, you can split quantity per week, you can split quantity per day. The main point is that quality. If quality is matched, there is not a problem to have a big run split in the small run, small budget, according to demand by the customer.
Keep coming back to that key, quality. Okay, the fifth and in many ways most important bottom line benefit for all of us here at Drupa, profitability. Fujifilm guarantees a profitable partnership with your JetPress 720S. We've got complete figures and cost analyses here on the stand to back that up. I'm going to show you one last video. This one speaks directly to the powerful and profitable partnerships that Fujifilm is continuing to build with printers all over the world. Last video here.
We have the situation which we can compare the quality from the different presses. So at once we have a jet press which the quality is much better as whatever we had before. Much better as offset FM screen, or much better as any other system, electro ink or something like that. That's why we try to put as much as possible from our business in the Fuji, because we see we are able to make much more money as what we're doing now.
The jet press give us the opportunity to get into new markets because it's a specific machine who deliver short runs, so we can think and provide new products to lead the market. We don't have to follow the market. The long-term strategy and long-term view from Fuji give us a good feeling, so we choose to make a relationship with Fuji and invest in the jet press.
L'investissement dans cette presse était pour nous un gros investissement. Et le mot auquel je pense aujourd'hui, c'est la confiance. Confiance dans la technologie, confiance dans Fujifilm et confiance dans les nouveaux marchés que nous allons pouvoir adresser avec cette presse.
Couldn't have said it better ourselves. All right, so 5 key benefits that you get with the JetPress 720S. Number 1, it is a proven performer. It produces ultra-high quality prints. It's productive, it's versatile, and it's incredibly profitable. So when it comes to B2 digital production, Fujifilm is changing outcomes today. We're replacing uncertainty with reliability. We are replacing limitations with versatility. And we're replacing downtime with productivity. As I said, the market is changing. We have to keep up. Our businesses are changing. Fujifilm and the JetPress 720S are successfully transforming print businesses in over 70 production sites around the world today. We've got new presses being installed every week. We want you to be next. It's just that simple. So as I said at the beginning, don't wait. Place your order with us today. That's why we're here. Fujifilm will be there to support you every single step of the way. If you're ready to transform your business today, that's what Fujifilm is all about. The answer is right here and right now. All right, so as I said, pick up some samples. We've got lots of our Fujifilm representatives happy to talk with you. We're all wearing badges just like this. We want to hear about your printing needs. On behalf of all of us today, it's been an honor to talk with you. We thank you so much for your time, your attention. We hope you're having a wonderful day at Drupa. Stay with us here at Fujifilm. Thanks so much, everyone. Cheers.